friend. It's me again, Timmy Times. I like to think of different ways to solve multiplication problems. Multiplication gets easier once you know the difference between the factors and the product. The factors show you the number of things in a group, and how many times they are added together. The product is the result you get when two or more factors are multiplied. There's more than one way to make it easy to multiply by 2. Did you know? When you skip count by 2, you are actually multiplying by 2. Let's take a look. You can figure out what 2 times 5 is by counting by 2 until you reach the 5th number. Of course, that's 10. Also, when multiplying by 2, I can use my double Dutch trick. To double something, just add a number to itself. Here, you can double 5 to get 10. You can see that 2 times 5 is the same thing as saying 5 plus 5. Any way you look at it, you still get 10. Once you know how to multiply by 2, then multiplying factors by 4 is really easy. All you do is use the double Dutch trick twice. I call it double-double. To multiply 4 and 5, you can double 5 one time to get 10, and then double 10 to get 20. Don't forget that 4 times 5 means you have 4 groups of 5 things. It also means you have 5 groups of 4 things. Let's see how well you know this. I'll give you a moment. 2 times 3 means, you double 3 one time to get 6. And 4 times 3 means, you'll double 3 to get 6, and then double 6 to get 12. I hope these tricks are helping you get better at math. I can't wait to meet again. I have a lot more to tell you.